starting with the sweet and massive name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and benevolent, who taught us the use of pen and created us from drops of blood. After all praises to Almighty Allah, now I would like to welcome all of you with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. So in today's lecture, I'm going to teach you adverb. In the previous video, we have learned about noun, pronoun, adjective, and now it's turn of adverb. So adverb is the combination of two words. It means adverb is the combination of two words. Add means to add, include, or insert. And verb means action or state. So let's jump into the definition of adverb. Adverb is the word which is used to modify an adjective, verb, or sometimes another adverb in a sentence. What is the function of adverb? Adverb modify an adjective, verb, or sometimes another adverb in a sentence. It has these three functions. For example, he works slowly. Here, works is a verb and slowly is an adverb. So this slowly, it means this adverb modify this works. How this works happen? It happened slowly. It means he works slowly. So this adverb modify works. It means modify the frequency of this works. It means it is slowly happening, or he works slowly. Okay, got it? It means adverb modify verb. This is a verb and this is an adverb. Number second, Fatma is very intelligent. Fatma is very intelligent. In this sentence, intelligent is an adjective and very is an adverb. Fatma is noun. So adverb modify an adjective. It means if we say instead of without very, if we say Fatima is intelligent, it means there is no adverb. If we say Fatima is very intelligent, it means this adverb modify adjective more clearly to us. It means an adverb modify an adjective. Got it? In number third sentence, Ali speaks very quickly. So very is also adverb and quickly is also adverb. It means we have learned here, or we have discussed here, that sometimes another adverb in a sentence. It means adverb sometimes modify another adverb in a sentence. Ali speaks very quickly. This is also adverb, or this is also adverb. It means this adverb modify this one. It means Ali speaks very quickly. I hope you understand. If you have any kinds of question relating to this topic, so you can comments below. I will answer you. And thank you so much for watching my video.